Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show how to make delicious tennis rolls. First, combine 250 grams of all-purpose flour, 5 grams of salt, and 10 grams of sugar in a large bowl. In a separate small bowl, dissolve 7 grams of active dry yeast in 150 milliliters of warm milk, ensuring the temperature is around 105 to 115 degrees Fahrenheit. Let this mixture sit for about 5 minutes until it becomes foamy. This indicates the yeast is active and ready to work its magic. Now, pour the activated yeast mixture into your dry ingredients. Mix everything together until a shaggy dough starts to form. Turn the dough out onto a lightly floured surface and begin kneading. Continue kneading for about 8 to 10 minutes until the dough becomes smooth and elastic. During the last few minutes of kneading, gradually add the 30 grams of softened unsalted butter, incorporating it fully into the dough. Once kneaded, place the dough into a lightly greased bowl, cover it with plastic wrap, and let it rise in a warm place for 60 to 90 minutes, or until it has doubled in size. After the first rise, gently punch down the dough to release the air. Divide the dough into 12 equal pieces, each weighing approximately 40 grams. Shape each piece into a smooth, tight ball and arrange them on a parchment-lined baking sheet, leaving some space between each roll. Cover your shaped rolls and let them undergo a second rise for 30 to 45 minutes or until they look noticeably puffy. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Bake the rolls for 15 to 20 minutes or until they are beautifully golden brown on top. Once baked, let them cool slightly before serving. They are perfect warm with butter. And hey, if you're looking for other great deals, including a fresh scent for your car, check out the links in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.